After being in this business for several years, we have learned a few things about vinyl cutters and we would like to share them here with you today. So sit back and relax. Let's get started. When making vinyl stickers, the best way to go about it is by using a digital printer. It is a lot faster, you won't have to apply and cut each layer of vinyl individually. It's a lot cheaper, you will save a lot of money in materials and time. And best of all, you can pretty much print any image or design that you can think of. Now, the main reason why most of us start off with a vinyl cutter is because of the initial investment. Although investing in a digital printer is the best thing you can do for your business, but it can be a little pricey, as you can see here in the picture. And this is the reason why we're going to talk about vinyl cutters and not digital printers. Because honestly, most of us will be able to afford a vinyl cutter before affording a digital printer. We're going to start with our most affordable vinyl cutter, and that is our Cameo 4 12 inches. You can get this amazing machine for just $229. Yeah, you heard that right, $229. I'm not saying this is the best machine, but for its price, you can beat that. The three main reasons why we love this machine is that when working with medium to large size decals, you can cut your vinyl without using a cutting mat. All you have to do is change your settings. Make sure you follow the link to learn how to do that. The second reason why we love this machine is that you can use big rolls of vinyl. Make sure to get your tape application rollers if you decide to get this machine. Not only do they work when applying transfer tape, but you can also use it when cutting your big rolls of vinyl. And the best feature about this cutter is that you can get Silhouette Studio totally free. You can upgrade for more features. Another thing you should keep in mind if you decide to get a Cameo cutter, if you can afford getting the Cameo Pro, which is the 24 inches, you should definitely do that. And you will be able to get it through our links in the description of the video. By the way, guys, we would really appreciate it if you gave us a like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Thank you so much. Let's keep on with the video. Our next vinyl cutter is the Uscutter Titan 3, and this one is a 28 inches vinyl cutter. So this one's a little bit bigger than our Graphtec, and this will cost you about $1,300. Although we do not own a Titan vinyl cutter, but we have seen it several times in action. We're going to leave you with a few words from our friend Eduardo about this vinyl cutter. So the big question is, are you happy with the Titan vinyl cutter? What do you think?
Of course, for me it is the first machine that I buy, and I'm not changing for another one.
Yeah,
I'm already here for Graphtec, decals. But for me, this one is, if you start for the business, I think this is a more available. $750 is what I spent, and okay, honestly, it's pretty good.
Our friend Eduardo has been doing this for a few years. You can clearly see that in the price he paid for his vinyl cutter back then. He started off by doing sublimation, and later on he moved to making vinyl decals after he saw the potential and how profitable selling vinyl decals can be. So if you have a medium budget and want to get something not too expensive, something in the middle, a Titan vinyl cutter can be a good option. Depending when you watch this video and where you get your vinyl cutter from, this is what you can expect to pay in 2023. This includes the cutter and design software. Now, if you have a bigger budget and are looking for a vinyl cutter that's quiet, faster, and better at smaller details, a Graphtec vinyl cutter will definitely be a great option. This is how much you can expect to pay in 2023 for a Graphtec vinyl cutter, about $1,900, but believe me, it is totally worth the investment. One thing you gotta keep in mind, this price only includes the vinyl cutter, because you will also need a vector software, and you can expect to pay about $400 to $500, depends on which software and where you get it from. Some of the things that we love about our Graphtec vinyl cutter is that it is very easy to align the vinyl and thus working with big projects. You can increase the speed without sacrificing details, and this makes a huge difference when you are too busy. It doesn't matter what kind of vinyl cutter you invest in, you will be able to sell all the products that we will show you next. But before that, we want to show you our most recent and best projects. If you invest in a vinyl cutter, these are the products that you can make. Car decals, vinyl banners, car magnets, wall decals, yard signs, door signs, and a lot more. And now we want to share a secret with you, which is not really a secret anymore, but you should try and work with other business owners. Now you might be asking why. And the answer is that most business owners will be very likely to get all kinds of products and will keep you busy throughout the year. It is very likely that they will need business cards in other products. And this is something else that we need to talk about, and that is outsourcing. That means getting other products from other places. As soon as you start getting customers, you should look for other places where you can get business cards, labels, banners, and all kinds of products that you cannot make with just a vinyl cutter. Graphtec, Vistaprint, local places are a great example. Remember, before investing in a vinyl cutter, make sure that you can cut big designs, make sure that you can use Rosso vinyl, and just as important, find out what type of software you will need to vector your images and how much it will cost you to get it. If you like this video, make sure you give us a like, as YouTube will recommend this video to other people. We really appreciate it. Also, make sure to subscribe if you haven't done it yet. Also, turn on your notifications to get notified next time we upload another video. Thank you so much, and we'll see you until the next video. Let us know which type of vinyl cutter you own. I'll see you until the next one.